Hi, welcome to our YouTube channel. What is BMI? What is it used for? These are just some of the questions one may ask when looking at the subject of BMI. The answers to these questions will help them understand what is BMI and how it is useful for them to keep track of their weight and what it does for them. Body fat and weight are measured using specific methods by trained and experienced medical and nutrition professionals. Billed as the most accurate way to measure obesity in adults, BMI is based on how much fat is present in the total body mass and the percentage of this fat that are subcutaneous or around the skin. The BMI then is calculated by dividing the total body weight in pounds with the person's height in ma squared, giving a ratio of around 0.35. The higher the number, the higher the percentage of body fat is present in the individual. Body fat and weight are measured using a variety of methods, including the hydrostatic weighing procedure used by some healthcare providers, the doubly pricked body method commonly used by therapists to locate fat deposits, and the body mass index calculator, which is designed for use by people in general. The body mass index, BMI, is used to determine whether an individual is overweight or obese, and helps to regulate portion sizes. If one were to calculate what is BMI based on heights, the first thing that comes to mind is the person's height and weight should be taken into account, but the relationship between these two variables is not direct. For example, while calculating what is BMI for a man of average height, 6 feet, with weights in the range of 73 pounds, approximately, the estimated body fat percent comes out as 47%. However, this percentage can be slightly misleading because it is based only on his height and weight. This is because a person with a very low BMI may still have a high percentage of body fat, since his weight may be relatively low compared to his height. A person with a high BMI may have a low percentage of body fat, but his weight may be relatively higher than what is considered healthy for him. This is HowStiff YouTube channel. Subscribe our channel and keep in touch with us. And feel free to visit our website howstiff.com. Have a nice day.